I want to cook some meat and vegetables. Here's some things that I have at home. I tossed the meat, some chicken and pork with some good olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then I'm going to put it in the oven around 375 and let it take its time until it gets nice and brown. I'm also going to chop up some potatoes and start them olive oil, salt, and pepper same way. The meat came out really good. I've got it here sitting on a warming pan. I'm going to get ready to make my vegetable dish. I'm going to start with a lot of garlic and then also some really nice fresh green beans that I'm going to toss in the hot potatoes and oil once I get them out of the oven. I also have some leftover garlic bread and I'm going to chop that and squish it and make some breadcrumbs to go with the vegetables. Here it is. The beans came out great. They don't require that much cooking with the hot potatoes and oil and the garlic as well. It all came out really nice. Taste for seasoning. Here's the two dishes side by side that I'm going to serve. And I figure I'm going to plate them simply. And here it is. It looks really nice. I think anybody would be happy with this dish. I'm going to make some more videos on my channel, Love to Cook. So keep your eyes peeled like your potatoes.